up, guys? Welcome to today's POD of the Day, brought to you by Carl's Jr. Carl's Jr., home of the chicken stars. Try some today. Alright, guys, let's take a look at today's problem. The Cowboy attempted to destroy the Pink Panther 5 times on Monday. This was 1/3 of the amount of times he tried to destroy him last week. How many times did the Cowboy try to destroy him last week, guys? So, this Monday he tried 5 times. That was 1/3 of the amount of times he tried to destroy him last week. So go ahead and pause the video here so you can solve the problem, guys. And then after you've tried to solve the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I'll go over the answer for you. Alright, guys, good luck. Pause the vid. Alright, welcome back, guys. We are going to go ahead and go over this problem. Hopefully you were able to solve it on your own, but if not, pay attention and I'll show you how you could have solved it. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to open my sketchbook so I can draw out and visualize the problem. I'm also going to choose my pink marker since it's a Pink Panther problem. What I'm going to do next is reread the problem, and as I reread it, I see that I have 5 times on Monday equals 1/3 of the amount of times he tried last week. So 5 equals 1/3. 5 attempts to destroy him is only 1/3 of last week's attempts. So let's go ahead and draw our box, guys, so that we can represent our fraction. So I'm going to draw my box. Alright, that looks pretty good. And guys, as I do this problem, I notice that I have here a denominator of 3. Right? What that tells me is that I'm going to actually have 3 slices in my picture. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my thirds, guys. There we go. Alright, so now I see I have 3 pretty even sections. If I look here, here's a third. Here's a third, and here's a third. All 3 of those thirds equal 1 whole, right? Or 3/3. So if I added these together, all 3 of these sections, guys, this one, and this one, that gives me the whole thing. Now, if I look at my equation that I set up here, it tells me that he tried to destroy the Pink Panther 5 times, and this was 1/3. So 5 equals 1/3. So what I need to do now, guys, is figure out if I have 1/3 right here. This is one of my thirds. That equals, like we said, guys, it equals 5. So I'm going to write 5 attempts here. And guys, with fractions, they are equal. All right, so each section here, each third is the same. That means if there's 5 here, there's going to be 5 in my other one. So 5 attempts here, and 5 attempts here. All right, guys, now what I need to do is figure out for last week, guys. Last week is all of these thirds. So I need to add all these thirds together. I also see that I have 3 of the same number. So I have 5, and I have that 3 times. So I can actually set up a multiplication problem instead of adding, but it might be a little faster. So 5, 10, 15 is what I get for 5 times 3. So going back to our question, how many times did the cowboy try to destroy him last week? Well, if I want to put this into a complete sentence, guys, the cowboy tried to destroy the Pink Panther 15 times last week. All right, guys, that does it for today's problem of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and tune in tomorrow for another exciting episode. We'll see